Hi-de-ho, Skip here, Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania. Decided that I'll do a mail call update tonight. I planned on having a build video or model that I was working on done and up this week, but I've been working on it for 2 or 3 weeks now, and I've had some brain fart stupid things I did on it. It's almost done, and I went backwards a little bit. I've kind of got it mostly cleaned up. Now I got to decide if I'm going to try and mess with it a little more, and afraid that maybe I'll make it worse, or do I just leave it alone and live with it and move on to the next build. Like I say, it's almost done. It's pretty much, I just got to put the glass in it, windows in it, and a couple little more detail pieces on it, and it's basically finished. So if I mess it up trying to make it better, then I pretty much have to just strip the body and repaint the body and start over on all that, or I just kind of live with it. It doesn't really look that bad as long as you don't look too close, so I'm probably just going to let that ride. But anyway, let's get to an update. Mail call. I got this in the mail, I guess 2 days ago, Wednesday or Thursday. I think it was Wednesday. I got a shop card. Let me zoom this back out. Oop, wrong way. So I got this really cool shop card from Rick Zink over at Skeletal Remains. If you haven't subscribed to him yet or checked out his channel, you need to go over there and check it out and subscribe. I guess it was on some comments on a video. I kind of had an idea, but I kind of asked about what was the whole deal with shop cards, and he was kind enough to clue me in on what they really are. And so I've been designing one. As soon as I get the design finished on it, I'll get a batch printed out, and when I get them, I'll let everybody know. But so Rick, this is my very first shop card. Rick gets my very first one when I get them, and so really appreciate it, Rick. So everyone, check out his channel. And then mostly rest of the mail calls, just stuff that I've been dragging in. I finally got this. I've been wanting one of these, and they were always sold out. Finally got my grubby little hands on one of these, so I can check this one off my wish list. It's not like I needed another model kit. Set that over there. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, got me a Mania 135 scale Africa Core Kubel wagon. I've got other Kubel wagons, but I don't have an Africa Core one with the desert balloon tires. So I've got this now for my Kubel wagon collection, which I'm really wanting to get to building these. I've got them all collected up. I just got to start building them. And I also got some figures. Let me get these out here. I've already been I have a stash of like these Master Box figures. I got this one in, Bart and Radley. It's kind of funny because my youngest son's name is Bart, but yeah, I may have to do these ones so that Radley there can do that to the build I'm trying to finish right now, because that deserves it. That's that one. I got another Master Box. Francois. Pretty classy looking. I kind of want to do this one and put it with maybe an old Chrysler or something, one of the older car kits. And Got this one from ICM. It's the female mechanics for early 1900s. I got these to go with some of my Model Ts kits and everything. Do some little dioramas or little vignettes with them. These are pretty cool. I still have to get a little better at doing figures. I do pretty good on the bodies and everything, but when it comes to the faces, I got a lot of work to do yet. They end up looking like some kind of bizarro, freaked out cartoon character. And then this one is the main one. I got this in. I came across this. I don't know if any of y'all have watched the Lucas C channel. He had a video a couple weeks ago, I think it was now. He had picked one of these up at Andy's hobby headquarters. Looked pretty cool. It's pretty interesting. It's a 1/32 scale. Very detailed. I really want to build this. This is really cool. Even comes with a figure. There's 2 figures in it. They're almost identical, except one has a helmeted head and the other one has no helmet. Very nice kit, very detailed. So yeah, I got this. In fact, I ordered this from Andy's hobby headquarters. So I'm really looking forward to building this. This may go in right after my 4 or 5 that I've got on the deck now. So this is probably going to be like the 6th one on the deck. So I got that. Very cool. And I think that's it. So other than that, unless you're wondering what this little toy is I have here, my little UFO. The simple little things that entertain me. Let's see, take him off here. Oh, he turned himself off. Go in there and he lights up. And if you want to play around with him, see, take that. This is cool. If you like this, let me reset it. There we go. It's Friday night. We need something to do. You know, back when I was a kid, we used to go cow tipping out here in the pastures. And now we got a little UFO looking for cows. Oh, look at that. We found a cow. Of course, the UFOs I've seen don't have a hand flying them. And he comes over. Oh, got a cow. Found a cow. Oh, got us a cow. Yeah, now we just got to take the cow back to our star base, and we'll turn the cow inside out or something. Yep, I know. Simple things in life. Alright, shut up. Alright, thanks for stopping, checking out the video, putting up with my nonsense. And I'm going to go back to trying to get this model done that I was supposed to have done a week ago. And move on to some of my other builds. So until next time, thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you later.